Mastering the use of all in English grammar. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English grammar, focusing specifically on the use of the quantifier, all. It may seem simple, but all has a wide range of applications and usages, which can be a bit tricky for non-native speakers. Don't worry though, by the end of this video, you'll have mastered the usage of all. All is a quantifier that we use in English when we want to talk about the whole quantity or extent of something. It can be used with singular, plural, and uncountable nouns, as well as with pronouns. It's flexible and handy, but to use it correctly, you need to pay attention to the context. Let's start with some examples. All the cake is gone. All the students are here. I gave it all my effort. Now that you understand how all works, let's put it into practice. I'll provide a sentence with a blank space, and your job is to fill it with all in the correct way. Remember, context is key. 1. Blank, the people were cheering for their team. 2. I spent blank my savings on this trip. 3. Blank, my attempts to contact her have been unsuccessful. Take your time to complete these, and when you're ready, let's check the answers. Great job on trying the exercises. Let's review the answers. 1. All the people were cheering for their team. 2. I spent all my savings on this trip. 3. All my attempts to contact her have been unsuccessful. See? You're getting the hang of it. Now, let's move to a slightly more challenging task, spotting errors. I'll show you a sentence, and you'll have to identify if all is used correctly. If not, correct it. 1. All the money are gone. 2. All attempts was unsuccessful. 3. All of us enjoys the party. Try to figure out the mistakes and correct them, and when you're ready, we'll review the answers. Alright, let's review your answers. 1. All the money is gone. 2. All attempts were unsuccessful. 3. All of us enjoy the party. These examples highlight how important it is to match all with the correct form of the verb. Great job! Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our session on the usage of all. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using all in your daily conversations and writings. In no time, you'll be an expert. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.